Imagine waking up to an email saying your job at Amazon is gone. No warning, no goodbye, just a box and a link to HR. That's the reality for 30,000 Amazon employees this week, the company's biggest layoff wave ever. But here's the twist, this isn't just about cost cutting. It's about something far bigger, and it could change every job in tech. During the pandemic, Amazon went on a hiring spree, doubling its white-collar workforce to handle surging online demand. Now, with e-commerce growth slowing and AI automating tasks, Amazon says the workforce has become too large, too layered. So, is this downsizing, or digital transformation? Amazon's CEO Andy Jassy has been clear, artificial intelligence will make teams smaller and decisions faster. The company is pouring over $100 billion into AI and cloud infrastructure, investments that literally replace human labor. Every efficiency gain powered by AI means one less analyst, one less manager. And that's the brutal truth of this new tech era. And here's the irony. Amazon's stock actually went up after the layoff news. Investors see it as efficiency, cutting costs, boosting profit margins, classic Wall Street logic. But for workers, it's the opposite story, the beginning of a job market shake-up unlike anything since the dot-com crash. The truth is, layoffs like this don't end with Amazon. Other tech giants will follow. AI is replacing repetitive corporate tasks faster than anyone expected. If you're in admin, operations, or management, reskilling into AI, data, or cloud computing isn't optional anymore. So Amazon's 30,000 job cuts aren't random, they're a roadmap for where tech is heading. AI isn't coming, it's here. And it's already deciding who stays and who goes. In our next video, we'll reveal which tech giants might follow Amazon's lead, and which jobs are still safe. Don't miss it, this is Finance with Zakir, bringing you finance, markets, and money stories that matter. Subscribe, because tomorrow's economy waits for no one.